speaking of heavy lifting, you've been doing a lot of heavy lifting lately, haven't you? With the migration work that's been coming our way. Can you talk a little bit about that? This emerging need for people to migrate from other LMS systems to LearnWorlds, which is I'll tell you, every folks, yes, we're we're not necessarily trying to sell LearnWorlds here today. We just spend all of our time on it. It's just that great. So we get a lot of people migrating to LearnWorlds. Ships, if you can just talk a little bit about that. What do you see in that particular trend right now? Because it's pretty. We're getting a lot of requests for that, aren't we? What are some thoughts you may have on that?
Yes. So yeah, 2023, we have undertaken a lot of projects, uh, big projects, big schools with multiple thousands of users who are located in, what we call the legacy platforms, right? And they want to move into LearnWorlds, right? First, I will cover the why. Why are we getting those requests, right? And why we will get more of those requests going into 2024, right? And then I will break down, what is involved there. First of all, why are people looking to move into LearnWorlds? Again, these are the things that we just covered in the last couple of questions. Uh, LearnWorlds is literally the best LMS platform out there because of multiple reasons. Three of the most important ones, which we have kind of already discussed, right? There are schools, right? Let's say that if we go back 10 years, 12 years, right? If you wanted to create a school, and when I say school, I mean an e-learning business, right? You did not have many options. You needed to, throw in globs of money. You needed to hire a WordPress developer. WordPress was the only king back then. I'm talking about 12 years, 10 years back when, e-learning was just getting started. You needed to build a school in those what we call now the legacy platforms, right? And it's not a easy walk in the park. Just like you have one platform, you build everything there. When you're building it in WordPress, you are actually what I call duct taping multiple platforms together. You have uh, you know mm, uh, WordPress, right? That is connected with a WordPress based LMS, right? That is again connected with a WordPress based a database at the backend which stores your client information. That is again connected with another platform which hosts the video for you. You need to get some developers who will do all the heavy lifting for you, connect all of this and create your school for you. But again, at the end of the day, even after creating the school for that you would pay lots of money for, coming into 2023 and 2024, you'd find it extremely hectic because number one reason, maintenance costs. If you're running a legacy school, right, the number one expense for you will be your maintenance cost. Your developers need to be on your payroll. You need to keep on paying them. And I mean, if you have started 10 years ago, you probably would have what, at least 10,000, 12,000 students by now, right? And that will incur more database charges. That will incur more, video hosting charges, a lot of charges, right? So we see all of these clients who are, located in the legacy platforms incurring those hefty charges and still using a legacy platform with not so fine functionalities. They're looking for options wherein they can not only reduce their overheads, but also they can get everything under one platform, right? And this is one of the reasons that we are getting a lot of requests from clients to shift their entire business from these legacy platforms into LearnWorlds.
Yeah.
And not only legacy platforms, we have also seen, Kajabi, ClickFunnels. We're seeing clients shifting from those platforms into LearnWorlds
Yeah.
because again, it's feature robust, uh, SCORM compliant. That literally blows all of
I was
our
just gonna say, did we happen to say that? Yeah, did we happen to mention that it's SCORM compliant, it's super business to business friendly, it has multi-tenancy capabilities, it allows um, uh, a company that wants to offer their course and their knowledge content to another enterprise to come in and have a walled, siloed system, which is sort of multi-tenancy. That's difficult to find in this class. It designs great. It's pretty. It's beautiful. The templates are gorgeous. They have the AI all plugged in, which is, and they were like the first out of the gate on that. I mean, when AI really hit, they were boom, they were on it. It was well thought out and ready to go. And no one can touch them really in that class that I'm aware of.